Hello everyone, thanks for taking some time to learn about RESI London. We're joined by Claire Zhang. Claire, please tell us about yourself and your role.
Yep. Hi, everyone. So you're excited to talk more about the RESI London conference. So my name is Claire Zhang. I am the VP of Investor Research, Asia Business Development at Life Science Nation.
And RESI London is coming up. When does it take place?
RESI London will be a hybrid event with the in-person component on December 4th. It is a one-day in-person event followed by 2 days of virtual partnering on December 5th through the 6th. And the in-person day will be at 11 Cavendish Square in London.
And why should people come to RESI London?
So there are many reasons why RESI London has a lot of potential. And London, as many people already know, is a global hub for life sciences. It is one of the most active life science ecosystems in Europe. It provides a really nice access to investors across all sectors of life sciences. It also provides direct access to a lot of vital regulatory resources and expertise. So there is the regulatory proximity factor, and it also offers for a lot of collaborative opportunities due to a robust network of academic institutions, industry leaders, and so on.
So can you talk about the RESI conference series? What is it exactly?
RESI is a conference that Life Science Nation has been organizing for quite some time. So we are actually approaching our 50th conference soon. So RESI stands for Redefining Early Stage Investments. It is an early stage life science investment focused conference. So we welcome life science companies across the 4Ds, as we say, drugs, devices, diagnostics, digital health. And we also welcome companies in the R&D services and life sciences tool sectors. And any company who is actively fundraising for their seed, Series A, or Series B rounds are welcome to participate, and RESI provides a wonderful opportunity to engage and connect with more life science investors and strategic partners that seek early stage opportunities.
And who hosts RESI London?
RESI London is organized jointly by Life Science Nation, which is our company, and also One Nucleus. So this conference will actually be hosted jointly with a conference that One Nucleus organizes called Genesis 2024. With these events provided together, we're hoping that this will provide a very nice platform for all global life science companies to come meet new investors that fit their company or technology.
And compared to other investor partnering events, what is the RESI conference series difference?
The really incredible fact about RESI is that there is nearly a 50-50 ratio between startups and investors. We really do bring a lot of investors across the globe. This is attributed to the fact that our investor research team has a really good relationship with a lot of the investors. We do see that compared to other events, we do bring a lot of great investors. And we can also vouch for the quality of these investors because we actually take the time to get to know them by interviewing them and getting a detailed idea of their investment mandate, including their strategy, interest areas, investment size, and so on. We're very careful about not allowing specific groups such as broker-dealers, investment banks, fundraising consultants, and so on. And those groups are typically not accepted at a RESI conference.
And can you talk about if there's anything special about the partnering system that's used for RESI London versus the partnering system that are used for other events?
With our partnering system, we do try to make it very easy for the startup to search for investors that are a fit. So it really does match the startups and the investors and strategic/licensing partners. We can get really granular in terms of not only the major life science sectors like the 4Ds that I mentioned before, but also the subsectors within those sectors, so specific technologies, as well as indication/disease areas.
So in a lot of partnering conferences that I've attended, especially investor partnering conferences, I'll find that a lot of investor profiles are simply empty in the partnering system. How does RESI handle this problem?
We populate the information on the sectors that the investors are interested in, specific technologies or specific disease areas that they focus on, as well as the typical stage of development that they invest in, whether they seek to be a lead or co-investor, and all sorts of that important details that are often not easy to find.
And what should attendees do to prepare for RESI London?
We have a number of resources that we provide to all of our companies who are seeking to attend our upcoming events, including RESI London. We have a series of webinars leading up to RESI London. If you go to our website, resiconference.com, you will see where it says RESI London preparation webinar schedule and recordings, where it says upcoming webinars and watch webinar recordings. So this is where, for example, if you weren't able to attend a scheduled webinar, you could access all of the recordings of those previous webinars.
I heard that Life Science Nation CEO Dennis Ford actually wrote a book on fundraising. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Dennis Ford, the CEO of Life Science Nation, has written a book called The Life Science Executives Fundraising Manifesto. And this is a really informative book, especially for someone who's just getting into the fundraising campaign mode. It is a really good read and we highly recommend it. You can actually request your free copy of the book by emailing us at resi@lifesciencenation.com.
And what can attendees do to just keep up on the day-to-day developments of the conference as it evolves?
Life Science Nation also organizes the Next Phase newsletter, which is sent out to our subscribers on a weekly basis. And it's a really good way for you to stay updated on the latest activities that LSEN is working on.
And what is the cost to attend RESI London?
The cost is largely broken into two options. So the standard 3-day option, which includes the 1 in-person day and the 2 days of virtual partnering, is going to be £895. And then we also have a virtual partnering only option, which runs again for the 2 days, December 5th through the 6th, which is £595.
So thank you, Claire. This was really great information on RESI London, and we hope to see you there.